Hi, my name is Carl, and my honors project is a smart parking protection system. The goal of this project is to keep your parking safe while you go do something else. For this project, I used a Raspberry Pi, an ultrasonic sensor, an RFID module, some LEDs, and some buttons. First up, we have the ultrasonic sensor. Like radar, ultrasonic sensors work by emitting a sound wave and then waiting an amount of time to receive its echo, calculating this distance from the difference in time. This means ultrasonic sensors can be used to detect cars. By continuously checking the distance, we can see if there is a car in a parking space or not. Next up, we have the RFID module. This stands for Radio Frequency Identification. This technology works with a reader, a tag, and a carrier. The reader energizes the tag with the carrier wave, and then the tag sends back with the data it contains. This means we can use this to identify people. Okay. Okay, this is a practical demonstration from a model of all of this. So first up, as you can see here, we have the ultrasonic sensor. We have a bunch of LEDs, a button right here, and then the RFID sensor. I don't know if you can see that right over here. Now, the RFID module will use this card or this tag. Either one will do. So on my main screen, you will see my output from the Raspberry Pi. It has already started. That is why you're seeing a green LED. And so I will start everything off by pressing this button. And what this is going to do is this is going to measure the distance between the ultrasonic sensor and this box right here, which is standing in for our ground slash vehicle. So at this moment, it's just checking to measure the distance. And as you can see, the measured distance on the main screen is 18 centimeters, and with a difference of 0. So if I were to introduce a vehicle to the system, or a mock-up of a vehicle, you will immediately see that there's a difference of 13 centimeters, and it will detect the difference 5 times. Amount of car detects 2, amount of car detects 3, 4, and 5. So now it was going to ask for a card. Card has been detected, waiting for card read. That's why I have this card right here. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tap a card to a reader, and there we go. So now what it's doing, it's still checking to see if the car is there, because it measured the distance between the sensor and the quote-unquote vehicle. And what it did then is it saved that distance, and now it's still checking if the car is there. So if I were to remove the car, then we would go back to the original program, where it's just checking to see the distance, to see if there's a car, and if I were to reintroduce an obstacle, it would detect that the obstacle is still there. Okay, that is the project. Thank you for watching.